The first thing I did was download Alipay, WeChat, Maps. Mostly China is cashless. You need to pay through Alipay. I think you can even pay on WeChat as well, but I got both just to be safe. I've heard a lot of people don't speak English, so also a translation app is important. I downloaded that as well. I went on holiday last year, so I already have a Wise card organized, but I loaded some more money into that card that will just help me when I need to use it. I have been told if I want to use Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Google, I need a VPN. We're still going to get some cash. I just think it's safe to have some on hand if you need, so we'll get some of that at the airport before we go. Google Maps doesn't work in China, or it doesn't work very well, so you need a Chinese navigation app, which we have downloaded, called Maps. Make sure that you have your visas and your passport and everything organized. We, as New Zealand citizens, we don't need a visa in China at the moment for, I believe, up to 90 days visiting. We're not planning to be there for 90 days. We've got 2 weeks planned in China. Not only did we download all of those apps that are important, we also set them up. We made accounts, we logged in and made sure that everything's going so when we land, there's smooth sailing. We were also told that it might be smart to get an eSIM. There's a couple of providers that I've heard about. One was Airolo, and then there's another one that I cannot remember the name, sorry. If you're thinking about going to China or you've already been to China, please let me know anything that I haven't mentioned that I might need. If you have any tips, please let me know.